lemon. You're going to squeeze all the juice into the bowl, like that. When you're done with all of them, you're going to drain them into the pitch. Caesar.
Was it fun? Did you have a good time?
Great time.
Was your first time?
My first, but not my last.
Good. Oh, welcome to the Mozzarella Company. What's your name?
I'm Ricardo.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York, and it's first time here, and it's absolutely fantastic. The hands-on experience was incredible, and you get to taste every single thing. So if you want to take it to go, good. If you don't, and you want to eat all there, even better. So it's an incredible experience. I highly recommend it to anybody. And then we're about to try all different types of cheese now, and
yeah,
it's
look at that.
absolutely fantastic. Each one is makes you just crave it even more. So I'm waiting to see which one stands out the most, but I doubt that there'll be one winner.
Well, welcome to Texas, and I hope to see you again.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.